Antimicrobial hand wash is applied to the hands, and we start by first scrubbing the hands palm to palm. Then, by interlocking the fingers, we clean the interdigit spaces. We then clean each of the digits of the left hand, starting with the thumb and ending with the little finger. The digits of the right hand are then cleaned in the same fashion. The tips of the fingers are cleaned by rubbing them against the palm of the other hand, and then the fingers are interlocked, and the hands are scrubbed first with the palms facing, and then with one hand over the other. After ensuring that all aspects of the hands have been scrubbed, we then rinse the hands and forearms thoroughly, ensuring that the hands remain above the level of the elbows throughout.